Social media management can be overwhelming, but with tools like Buffer, you can save time and stay organized. Buffer is a simple yet powerful tool for scheduling and analyzing social media posts. It supports platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, making it perfect for individuals, small businesses, and growing teams. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up Buffer, exploring its features, and sharing some tips to maximize its potential. Let's get started. First thing first, visit buffer.com and sign up for a free account. Then connect to your social media accounts. Click on Add Channel to link your accounts. You can connect up to 3 social media profiles on the free plan. Tips from me. Better start with the platforms where your audience is most active to get the best results. Here, for example, I will connect my LinkedIn account. Look, I have successfully connected my LinkedIn account, and now we are on the dashboard page. To start organizing or schedule a post of our social media accounts, click on this Create a Post button here. Now we are shown the form to create our post, as well as the preview display on the right. Buffer also provides AI assistance to find ideas for our posts. We only need to write down the topic of the idea. Then the rest will be done by Buffer AI. Here we can also regenerate the results. We can also rephrase, shorten, and expand the writing. And amazingly, we can change the writing style to be more casual or formal. But some features such as hashtag recommendations, first comment require an upgrade to paid plan first. After that, you can add your text, image, or link and select the platform. Another tips from me, use Buffer's built-in image editor to create visually appealing posts quickly. After that, we schedule our posts. It's unfortunate that the Buffer doesn't have a recommended posting time. After that, we will be directed to the Publish page. Here a calendar will be displayed, showing the scheduling of our posts. We can also filter the display from weekly to monthly. Look, on December 24th, there is already a posting schedule, even though this is my first time using Buffer. Ooh, I just remembered, I made the schedule on another platform. This means we can use more than one platform. Amazing. And we can see here is the line that shows what social media we have connected to the Buffer. And to the right of the Publish feature is the Analyze feature, which unfortunately can be accessed if we have upgraded to the paid plan. This Buffer's analytics provides performance metrics like clicks, likes, and shares. On the paid plan, you can even get insights into audience demographics. Then to the right of the Analyze feature is the Engage feature, which is also unfortunately accessible if you have upgraded to the paid plan. Then next to it there is a Start Page feature. This is a feature for us to create a landing page. Buffer's free plan is perfect for getting started, but paid plans start at $6 per month per channel, offering advanced features like unlimited scheduled posts and enhanced analytics. Buffer is an excellent choice if you're looking for a straightforward tool to manage social media. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a small team, Buffer makes it easy to stay consistent and effective in your social media strategy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this Buffer? See you in the next video. Goodbye.